where we're going to go in is very slippery. There might, because the diver's been in there.
We won't touch
We're not going to stay long because I'm not supposed to be here right now. But you heard that, didn't you?
Yes, you heard that, right?
Question of the day. When we hear this downstairs, and we actually hear in this way. Right now, right? It's still on with the diver in there, right?
Yeah.
So you'll see it in just a second.
Thank you so much.
We'll stand up here. We'll come look at these one there. So the purpose of this wave is to actually create a kind of a barrier reef effect. All this coral, this is the only place in the aquarium that you have skylights, and it's the largest skylight, but live coral. So that live coral needs that water to so that's why we have this wave machine. It goes off every 90 seconds. Those are going to fill back in just a second. They'll fill up with water and release again.
And about how many gallons go dumping?
60,000. And then back here with these mangrove trees, there it goes.
I get it.
But these back here with the mangrove trees and this surf, this creates a nice place for some of the sharks to raise their young. So underneath you will actually see some bamboo sharks or epaulet sharks. Right underneath you. Okay, now the
Neat.
will go off there.
Alright.
He's a believer.
Come back here. So you can look at it.
We have a couple. I'll show you. We have